Hello everyone, I'm Mandy. This video I will do eye makeup with warm color by Chanel and coral cheek blusher comparing to different other lip color. Now I already clean my face, also use tissue to absorb water after washing and apply balancer. After balancer I apply eye base from Bobbi Brown. Actually, I have test product from Bobbi Brown that have face base, lip balm, and eye base, and I love only eye base. And after eye base, I apply emulsion, or can say lotion. I apply all over face and also all over neck. After this emulsion, apply sun cream on my face before makeup or before foundation. I choose the sun cream that can be my makeup base and also have high SPF protection for my daily use. And I never forget to apply lip balm by Lip Glow. Actually, lip balm I love only the Lip Glow. Okay, now my face preparation before makeup already done. And now start apply foundation on my face by Dior Forever foundation in matte formula. Same as previous video, always use puff from Hera Black Cushion Puff to apply foundation on my face because these puff are very easy to apply with this liquid foundation. They also not absorb much liquid foundation comparing to sponge. I have used sponge by the technique or other brand. They also good to apply liquid foundation, but noticed that they absorb too much, and when clean them also need to take time a bit to clean that sponge. So puff is convenient for me. Okay, then after foundation, apply concealer by Dior Forever Skin Correct. And I have used Dior Forever Skin Correct after foundation. I have compared between foundation after concealer and concealer after foundation. And concealer after foundation is my choice. After concealer, then I apply powder by Dior Big State Powder. I apply this powder with Dry Technique brush called OT400. Actually, this OT400 should be for blusher. After powder, then do face contour. Normally do face contour by contour powder or bronzing powder. And in this video, forget that I will use Fenty Beauty stick contour. Actually, they are cream type. I should be apply after foundation, then powder. But now because I forget, then I use powder, then this cream stick contour. This Fenty Beauty stick contour, actually they are function good. Just because I'm choose the wrong shade, I'm choose amber, color amber that are not quite well for face contour, for my face contour. Then I'm continue add on shading with bronzing color in cheek blush instead. And yes, the color is much for me to do face contour, also nose contour. Okay, after this contour step, then let's continue to eyeshadow makeup by our coral eyeshadow makeup in color warm by Chanel Le Healthy Glow eyeshadow palette in color warm. They are coral eyeshadow. The Chanel Healthy Glow eyeshadow are matte finish top and have the shimmer color that make our makeup look glow shimmer as per the name Healthy Glow. Okay, actually I love to do smoky eye and I will use all the color in this palette. For my eye makeup routine, I will use color base from any lightest color in this palette and contour with the color that we want our eye makeup to be. Smoky with the deep color in this palette and highlight in the middle of our eyelid with the shimmer highlighter. Okay, after finish my upper eyelid eye makeup, then I continue to make up on my lower eyelid too. And I'm just choosing the same color between my upper eyelid makeup and my lower eyelid makeup. And my eye makeup, I never draw eyeliner. I don't like to draw eyeliner, but I like to do eye makeup as eyeliner on my lower eyelid. For this eye makeup with Chanel Hazy Glow eyeshadow palette, they are matte finish type and long lasting. Can say that the color are stay still on my eyelid from the morning till afternoon. This is what I want my eye makeup to be long lasting whole day because I'm need to make up in the morning until come back home at evening. So I need to choose any eyeshadow that are long lasting, stay still on my eyelid like that. And I have bought many brand eyeshadow and some of them yeah first our first impression when we see their packaging, their color eyeshadow. Yes, it's very good. It's pretty nice. But when we apply on our eyelid, just stays on our eyelid around 1 to 2 hours. Then it sometimes it fade away. Sometimes it's gone to other side. Okay, let's continue to eyebrow. Use Benefit eyebrow pencil to do my eyebrow makeup. I can say that to draw my eyebrow. Okay, after I draw my eyebrow to the shape of my eyebrow shape, then just let continue to curly my eyelash and apply mascara. Use mascara from the show in set with eyelash primer, the show maximizer 3D, and then the show overcurl mascara. For my eyelash area, sometimes I just curly my eyelash. Then that's it. I not apply anything on my eyelash. Just curly it to be curly a bit. Okay, sometimes I don't use eye primer, eyelash primer, or this maximizer 3D. I'm just curly, then apply mascara. Okay, now let's continue to highlighter step. This highlighter step, use shimmer color in eyeshadow palette. Actually, this I noticed that the shimmer color are pretty nice shimmer glowing color on my eye makeup around my inner corner. I apply this color on my inner corner of my eyelid and alongside to outward direction on my upper eyelid, and I saw it pretty nice color, so I test it and try it to use as highlighter as it glowing in nice color. In overall, it's good. Okay. Okay, now let's continue to cheek area using Dior Big Stick Rosy Glow in color coral. My eye makeup in color warm or coral. Yes, then my cheek blusher in color coral too. After I finish the cheek area by cheek blusher coral, also finish with my eyeshadow makeup in color coral, then I will do the comparison between this makeup look, coral eye makeup and coral blusher with different lip color. Okay, now let's prepare to do comparison. Okay, now not yet apply lip color, just hang on my hair first. I'm not yet done anything on my hair, just this is my original hair. Okay, now choose the color red from Max. In color Ruby Blue. This color Ruby Blue are in red color, but shading to fuchsia color, red fuchsia color, something like that. Okay, you can see in this video is better understand then. Okay, now I just prepare my hair by straighten my hair a bit, then keep the same color is Max Ruby Blue. Okay, the next color is pink color from Gucci. Transformproof matte liquid lipstick in color 413 Cornelia pink. It's pink shade like that. Okay, how this color with this makeup? I think coral eye makeup with coral blusher and pink lipstick like that. Also, yeah, it also nice. Okay, now let's continue to another lipstick by Gucci or matte lipstick in color goldy red. This color goldy red from Gucci are really beautiful red color. They are the real red color. Comparing to MAKUEP Review, they are red fuchsia color and Gucci goldy red is real red color. Okay, continue to another color by MAC lipstick again, but in color effortless. This is the deep red color. Okay, I still have another red color by MAC liquid lipstick in color devoted to chili. This is red shade to cashmere color. And then I will compare to another red lipstick by Dior Forever Matte in color X40 Forever Radiant. Okay, this is the red shading to brown color. Okay, then continue to brown lipstick by Dior Forever Liquid in color 200 Forever Dream. This is the beautiful brown lip color. Which one is better and well matched with this coral look? Okay, my video comparison go to the end now. Thanks everyone for watching my video until the end. And thanks for subscribe my channel too. Bye bye.